The van has difficulty in starting in the really cold weather, despite it having glow plugs, and I think the glow plugs are okay. They take current. It was just exceptionally cold, -7. So I had to use a fan heater to get the engine warmed up sufficiently to be able to start it, which took a long time. So I think we'll be going today.
Even the curtain is frozen. How frozen
so
it is.
I double it like this. God, it's frozen.
Frozen!
We've got the bed in, we've got all our storage places in, the gas cylinder is under the bed. That's a Hungarian gas cylinder. This one. See, even got this. We actually ended up taking far too much stuff, but I wanted to take my tools and put them in these little drawers which are easily accessible. Everything easy to get at. The essential tools, the others I've got in my toolbox. But
I knew it.
yeah, so we finally got it started, and we were really pleased. I thought for a moment it just wasn't going to start. So I left it running. Charlie goes in, and we're very nearly ready to leave. And off we go, starting our adventure. Okay, Charlie, we're off to Italy now. It's a long journey, but it's a bright sunny day. Took a lot of starting to get the van going. Freezing cold this morning, -7, but we made it. Because of this very cold weather, we decide, and we haven't got the diesel heater installed in the van yet, we decided we're definitely going to spend the first night in a B&B. We will freeze in the van. So we're looking out for places when we get to Italy to charge the batteries in the van and everything.
Yeah. Hey, Slovenia!
Left Hungary. So a sweet maybe as well.
So I'm going to buy some lunch
We've got a long drive.
because before the long drive.
Charlie's hurt his paw.
Yeah. Oh, poor Charlie.
His rear his back leg is the pads opened up. He
Poor
did it
Charlie.
yesterday. Poor Charlie. You have to rest it, Charlie.
Okay. Mama will bring some chicken. Okay, bye. So we got some chocolate and chicken. This is what I bought today in the supermarket.
Okay, €30. Just for a day. Something strange happened. We were going down the motorway in Slovenia, and then a police car pulls up in front of us with a big stop sign, "Follow me." So I followed it for a very long way. Oh, come on.
What is this? Who's going back to the motorway?
What's doing?
This is the motorway.
I just couldn't work out what they wanted because I definitely was not speeding. I go, well within the speed limits. Hello? Yes. A minute.
Hello.
It's a long follow. What is the problem? Something wrong with
Control.
Oh, just control.
I just control.
We eventually got, after quite a long journey, about 10 minutes of following, he pulled us over in this service station, and guess what? He wants to weigh us. He thinks we're overweight, overloaded, too much load. I know that we're not. I was quite confident that I had not overloaded the van. Seemingly they get a lot of people from Eastern Europe coming from Romania, which they're heavily laden and very often over the weight limit for the size of the van. So he just saw our Hungarian plates and stopped us. Fortunately, as we weren't overweight. Then left. Okay. Just wasting our time.
Okay, so they just want to weigh us, no? If we are overloading. Stopping for some rest.
Just checking the oil because there is a very slow oil leak. I tried to get the garage to fix it before we went, but I don't think it's completely fixed yet.
So it was almost down.
No, it wasn't right down. But I always check every day the oil, just in case the leak gets worse or something happens.
Keep left to continue on A34.
Italia!
Continue on A34 for 17 kilometers.
Italia, Charlie. We're in Italy. We're in Italia, Charlie.
Charlie. Do you hear that? We arrived here half an hour ago in this motorway stop, just near Ferrara, and this alarm sound has been ringing for the last half an hour. Good morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and we are parked here in a autoroute stop where we are surrounded by lorries, trucks. We've driven 600 kilometers yesterday. It's 20 minutes to 8 and we're stopping for breakfast now. All lorries as far as the eye can see.
Traffic's absolutely awful going to Rome, towards Rome. Just lorry after lorry.
Still lorries. We were just stuck here in traffic for like 2 hours. And just now we are moving. After hours stuck in the motorway because of traffic, now we're stopping by for some rest and Charlie to go for a walk.
Pretty horrible experience.
Horrible. Lorries after lorries. And there's the restaurant.
We had a stop and then went on and discovered that we hadn't closed the sliding door properly, so we had to stop again and fix it. I had to actually stop on the motorway, which was not the best place to stop, but it had to be closed properly. It would be dangerous. Then we're off again, driving rain, very unpleasant weather, inclement weather. However, we just press on, windscreen wipers working okay, so we're warm, we're just carrying on. We eventually got out of the rain and started to see some things which are more agreeable to us. Thank goodness. Some serious hiking.
This is the roundabout.
Phone's all splashed out.
What's that? It's like
In
a
300 meters, turn
entrance to the cemetery. That's a cemetery. So we're going up high.
We're looking for our place now to stay the night, which is quite high up, and we seem to be climbing. Private car park. Hopefully we can start it in the morning.
Zero visibility almost,
We're
huh?
up in the clouds, we're so high.
We're up in the clouds.
Finally we arrived there to this Italian guy greeting us, telling us where to park our van. Sì.
If the dog doesn't run away, you can also let him go free.
And he just loved using Google Translate, even though I could understand what he was saying in Italian most of the time.
It's much nicer when the sun is out.
Oh, nice.
Abbiamo tolto I tappeti pelosi, abbiamo messo più
He just insisted on speaking in Italian, then getting the Google Translate to say it in English, which was quite amusing. Very nice room, clean, pleasant. We were very tired, so we decided just to order a pizza. The owner said he'd order it for us. And that came and we had it in our bedroom, so just wanted to sleep.